Hey, what's up, nigga?
Squeaking them.
Play the song,
Squeak
nigga.
clean. Who is? Come on, who else on the track, man?
Yeah, I am. I'm right here, man. It's your boy Lash, a.k.a.
Y'all gonna vote to see who ripped this verse the best. I'm put on for Ohio.
Alright. I hit it first. Get on the track, nigga. What's up? Yeah. I'm about to freak this bitch. This for you niggas.
Let this nigga go. Let him go.
Yo, sitting here watching me do my motherfucking dance, dancing to the music and look my with no hands. Yeah, nigga, I'm a thug, but you can see the way. Ah, fuck that.
Let's go, Squeak.
My name's Squeak Clean and I rep Ohio. One day, nigga, I'ma hit the lotto. When I do, I'ma buy a Bugatti. Buy a dude, got it, not no motherfucking Holly. What? O-H-I-O, that's Ohio. Squeak Clean Fly, everybody know I know. Okay. Why you wanna play on my Impala? Just got it 2 days, got the waves in my head like yeah.
Get it, cool.
She on my dick. Cool, don't wanna smoke. You rapping that.
Oh. Cooper, rip this shit. Go.
It's raining out here. It's probably 'cause of me. What the fuck y'all niggas want? Don't tell me you don't want that beef. Homeboy, I got that heat. And you know I got that money. Them niggas talking shit, but I don't really think it's funny.
Whoa!
It's freestyle, nigga. I'm buck wild on the track.
Track.
Don't fuck about what you say. All my homies got my back. That's how I really do. Say whatever, nigga. Cause we don't give a fuck.
Yeah,
It's raining in Hawaii.
What?
Niggas getting wild.
What?
We get new motherfucking freestyle. Make it rain, bitch. It's raining outside. Niggas don't give a fuck. We drinking dry.
sitting outside in the motherfucking rain. Niggas out here going fucking insane. What's up? It's hot. We sitting Friday. Niggas drinking on gin like it was mine. Hey, niggas rain, bitch. Hey, bitch. And it's raining like a motherfucking fire, bitch. It's going in sweet spot. It's going wet. And niggas gon' get it. Cause I bet that.
Hey, nigga gotta go home.
Whoa.
Nigga swear to God that I'm in my fucking zone. Ain't no Chris Brown mixtape, motherfucker. Tell your girlfriend you is a buster. Nigga, Randy, what you saying, girl? It's something.
Maybach music, Maybach.